just arrived at the track. Stressful morning. Brake line snapped on the way. But it's alright, we moved, we're still here. What are you saying, brother? Yes. You ready to drift?
I'm ready, mate. I'm ready. Your car's a bit cooler, man.
Look at my brake lines, bro.
What do you mean?
They snapped. I was coming down the motorway, I put my foot in the brake, the brake's gone fully to the floor. All my brake lines are fucking snapped. But because I got a hydro, I've been creeping down here all the way, bro. Dodgy. Made it though.
And he gave me some of his. Is that your brand or is it your merch?
Mitch, bro, yeah.
Okay, yeah, man. Right, look at his car. Is this what you drifted?
Yeah, yeah, man.
Oh,
bro, I done the same thing.
Look at this. What? He's just telling me he's driving on the way here. You see that cable that's on the floor?
Snapped.
That's his brakes.
Gone.
Proper bit of kit this is. Okay, so we've got a door panel on. That was the same on the way.
One on, one off.
One on, one off. Makes it drift easy to the left. How long was your drive?
3 hours.
Yeah, mine's about the same. I'm from Liverpool, so.
I got an hour and a half, and then it happened, and then it's like, right, I've got an hour and a half home, or an hour and a half there.
Yeah,
Which way, innit? I thought, fuck it.
Look at that, mate. We shot him back. I don't know if it's working.
See how fast it goes, bro? See how fast you can run. Hey, it's on you, it's on you. So we made it, we're at the track, everyone's just arriving now. Gonna go park the cars up and then see what we're in store for today.
An extra jump and a body warmer in.
Hello, you okay?
I was just sliding.
Welcome to driftxs, the unorganised mess that is your day.
Okay,
But this is for you, nice to meet you, mate.
Made it.
Hydraulic handbrake, short shifter, steering wheel, and a map TCU, so it revs a bit higher.
Okay.
Other than that, it's literally stock, but you'll see what you could do in a stock car with some bolt-ons.
Yeah.
It's quite good. Then we've got this one's, it's a really nice one. It's just got some gas.
Yeah, stop, isn't it? Should I take my coat off? This will probably be a bit easier.
That's my thought. I don't know. Do you know? I know. What, burning?
Yeah. I reckon it'll burn. Qualified pilot.
It's in manual mode, isn't it?
Here he is, Mr. Compensator.
Are you ready to drive, bro?
I'm concerned. Everyone else seems, I'm a terrible driver. This is my main concern.
I reckon you got it, personally.
I've owned this car, I've driven it 300 miles and I crashed it twice. So, yeah, it's not
I don't think you're going to do 300 miles on this, so the odds of not crashing.
Yeah, statistically.
Yeah.
Like, you have no reason to say no now.
Yeah, so I went straight back out on the circuit, did exactly the same thing again, went through the tyres, drove straight into the sin bin and walked away. Waited my time, came back, and it was just powder everywhere. You know, one of the marshals was like, "Oh man, yeah, your car was on fire. It's not even working."
For you?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, God.
Put it like that.
And are they extra wide tyres?
Yeah.
265. Also, shout out to Tom that was at Mapsary for fitting my tyres and fitting one the wrong way around. So it's not, as you can tell, it's like a well polished.
Go.
Well over there. Right.
Competition, bro.
So in this vlog, you're going to see the lungs of your Mashtag.
Yeah. Fucking hell, mate. I think mine's got a blockage.
I think yours is faulty.
Nothing's happening to that.
Is now a good time to say that we have got a pump if you want to use it, or?
Nah, too far gone.
Fucking hell. How are you trying to do the fucking, the balloons,
Big
the
fucking
high animal
ones,
balloons,
yeah.
you can't blow them up. I don't know where the air I'm blowing in's going.
No.
Don't try and blow too hard. Fucking hell. Let's be more gentle.
I'm getting lightheaded. Boom.
Wanting the air to go in.
It's been folded up for the last 4 years in a factory in China.
Yeah.
Great. Definitely going to be ill next
You
week.
got fucking COVID now.
There you go. Successful.
Are you very like mechanically minded? Do you know much what you're doing with your own cars, or do you rely a lot
I am
more on other
what
people?
I like to call chief wing it.
Yeah.
Basically, you keep taking things apart until the part you want to come off comes off.
Yeah.
And hope when it goes back together you got no bolts left over
So
it.
you know about a handful.
Yeah, I know. But I was the day or the day before.
Okay.
Nice and neat now, nice and neat.
Bastard got the camera on it.
Anyway, I dropped in. Johnny's sat.
What's that with it? That's what that is. It turned into Santa's grotto.
Right. Turn it into this cone here, power on, get it going, and just run it out to over here, and then straighten it up, and then back in again. Yeah. So we'll literally just run that for a second, get you warmed up, have a little play.
Yeah. I don't know if you want to manoeuvre that for me as I drive.
Yeah, that's fine,
not
mate.
staying on my
Which one fitted you better, this one or that one?
That one was a bit looser.
Cool.
So we'll be doing just in.
So yeah, just to start off with, just literally come out of here, little right hand around here, put the power on, and just get a little drift going, stay on the power, keep going that way, that way, that way, that way. Yeah, beautiful, nice. Mate, this is going to be dreamy. So go for that again.
What engine's in this one?
I think it's 323. Power on, and then let it run wider. Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and then stop. Beautiful. Yeah, keep it going, beautiful. And then a little bit tighter, not too much. So a load of angle, and then the other way. Snap it. Yeah, perfect. Nice. Keep it going, keep it going. A little bit tighter over there, and then round to the right. Nice, and then load of angle, yeah, and then picking up weight, a bit more power, yeah, wait. Oh, whoa, beautiful, second. Yeah, nice, and then run it out, beautiful, not too much power, keep going that way, and then round, little bit now, yeah, not too much, wait, I'm running long, get inside that one. Second, yeah. Power on, a bit more, and then off, yeah, nice, make it work, tighter, 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 second gear, not too much power, yeah, nice, clever, gentle, a little bit tighter, beautiful, beautiful. Wait, yeah, keep going, down the other way, yeah, power. Yeah, stay on the path, wait, yeah, wait, oh! Alright, so if you spin this round, just go first gear, turn it in power, and just initiate here. Yeah, so second gear, keep it going that way,
How are you finding it, bro?
Yeah, fucking hard, mate.
It's hard, though. It is.
Yeah, please. How was it?
Good.
Yeah?
Quite hard and wet.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's like everything I've ever known doesn't work.
The opposite, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a total contradiction of driving.
More this, less that, and I'm like, my brain's doing the opposite.
It's a rev.
It's in the car, you bloody asshole.
We're going to go for a little 360 attempt again.
Come on, bro.
See if we can nail that. Out.
Oh, she's dirty, boys.
As soon as I went to leave, I was like, breathing it.
you stop wrapping boxes? I was joking.
Where do you go? Where do
In
you
the
go?
car, you know?
Yeah, we'll go back and finish it.
Honestly, the fucking stuff they can do, mind blowing. Especially after you have a go and you realise it's
not as easy as it looks.
Not easy as the bloody games and all that shit.
Talent.
Yeah, honestly, it's definitely something you can you do once and you're like, I need to get a car.
Yeah,
straight away I'm like,
As soon as you get that kick, bro,
how much is a car?
Yeah.
You want to buy a car that you can bang about.
Yeah, bro, that's no point there. Yeah. Don't do what I did, buy one that looks pretty and then you don't want to smash it.
Yeah. Honestly, for everyone watching, that looks like you're just going, "Wing, wing," but it's not. It's not that at all. It's a million other things as well.
You heard it from the man.
Honestly, this bike, I pride myself on that anything I do, I'm just dead good at it, and that's why this is so frustrating for me because it's not like this. You can't just pick it up like this.
It takes time to learn, bro. Practicing on the sim. Try and
My problem is I've not got the most patience. I'm not the most patient man.
It's like give up and then fuck it.
Yeah, I'm just like, I'll fucking end up just going, fuck off then. Even just watching everyone else, it's like, fucking what a thrill, man. I've never seen people do this in real life. I've only ever seen it on videos. So.
Don't do it justice on a video like that.
Oh, especially when they're doing the two.
Yeah.
That's just
Tandems, isn't it? Yeah. Have trust in each other and your own driving skills.
Yeah, that's the main thing. It's the other person.
Yeah.
No matter how good you are at driving, it doesn't matter.
Me and you go try that now, is it? The big boy.
Big boy.
Do you want this? Do you want the stick a minute?
Oh yeah, the stick.
Go on. Do you need the pin as well, or you going?
Yeah.
So it's
My life is in your hands, brother.
No, it's a pleasure. You don't value it, do you?
Oh, another sim like it. Oh my god! This is a motor. Yeah.
Have fun?
Come on. You didn't think you'd get so money being in a car?
Nah.
I think that would be so fucking
Yeah.
I want you to be holding it out the window. Well, where you want, but as long as I don't hit the boxes. Oh no!
Yeah, fuck it, bro.
Take it with you and then film it from back there.
stood for there then, bro. Okay, brother. Ready to trip?
I'm ready.
Come on. Nothing's happening. I'm finding it, bro.
Fucking hard, mate. Honestly, the fucking stuff they can do, mind blowing. I've never seen people do this in real life. I've never seen it on videos.